Foods to reverse kidney damage at home. What if I told you that what's on your plate has the power to reverse damage to one of your body's most vital organs? Organ, the one that filters 200 liters of blood per day, regulates blood pressure, and aids in the production of red blood cells. Damage that has already occurred. Yes, I'm referring to your kidneys. Your diet may unwittingly stress them out. But what if you could turn back time? Are you consuming any of these extraordinary foods that help repair kidney disease, or have you been leaving them out unknowingly? Today we reveal the secrets kept in nature's pantry. If you stick with us until the end, you might find that the path to healthy kidneys has been right in front of you the entire time. So get ready for the adventure, and let's dive in. Just a brief reminder that the information in this video is for educational purposes only, and is not meant to replace medical advice from a qualified professional. Now let's see the list of foods that can reverse kidney damage. 1. Red bell peppers. First and foremost, red bell peppers are low in potassium, making them a great choice for people with kidney problems who may need to limit potassium intake. But there's more to these colorful veggies than just potassium. They are also packed with vitamins A, C, B6, folic acid, and fiber. Vitamins A and C stand out as antioxidants, which can fight harmful free radicals in our bodies. Generally, this is backed up by a 2021 study that found red bell pepper extracts have strong antioxidant effects. Furthermore, red bell peppers contain high levels of lycopene, an antioxidant with kidney protective qualities. Lycopene can help reduce inflammation, potentially preventing kidney damage, according to a 2021 study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition. The Journal of Renal Nutrition published a study in 2020 suggesting a higher fiber diet was linked to lower risk of inflammation, mortality, and kidney disease. The next time you're planning a meal, remember to include these red jewels, because science supports it. And we should take good care of our kidneys. 2. Cabbage. First, cabbage has many vitamins C, K, and B6, all essential for maintaining general and kidney health. These vitamins also help lower inflammation and remove toxins. Here, cabbage's fiber content is crucial. In 2019, a study in the journal PLOS ONE showed how dietary fiber can reduce chronic kidney disease risk and slow progression. This occurs because cabbage contains potent antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Fiber can help kidneys by controlling blood sugar, lowering cholesterol, reducing inflammation, and thereby reducing workload on kidneys. This was highlighted in a study published in the journal Antioxidants in 2020. Another cabbage substance worth mentioning is glucosinolate. According to a 2017 study in Current Pharmaceutical Design, its breakdown products may provide kidney damage protection. Thus, eating cabbage, with its variety of advantageous components, may provide your kidneys extra protection. 3. Garlic. Did you know that a common food like garlic has the potential to strengthen your kidneys and possibly even reverse kidney damage? This brings us to number 3. Garlic really is wonderful, so allow me to explain how it works. According to a 2013 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, allicin, a substance in garlic, is abundant in garlic. Allicin counteracts oxidative stress, a main kidney damage cause, and possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties good for kidney health. You may be wondering how to consume garlic. It's easy to use and adaptable for kidney health. You can include it in your diet in various ways: fresh, powdered, or even as a supplement. According to a 2016 study in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine, garlic is also shown to reduce inflammation and help lower cholesterol, important kidney disease risk factors. Therefore, why not harness garlic's power starting today to support your kidney health? You have nothing to lose and possibly much to gain. 4. Onions. Onions are a kidney-friendly food for several convincing reasons, including their high antioxidant content, which can help kidneys eliminate pollutants, minimize swelling and blood pressure to prevent long-term kidney damage. Additionally, potassium, a mineral that can build up in those with chronic kidney disease, is low in onions. Quercetin, a flavonoid with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities, is a big component of onions. According to a molecular medicine study, quercetin reduces kidney injury via activating AMP-activated protein kinase and down-regulating RAF1. Both red and white onions offer these kidney protective benefits, so feel free to use them in your salt-controlled, kidney-friendly recipes. For added health boost, 2019 reports highlight how quercetin can protect against kidney damage. Though adding kidney-friendly foods like onions helps promote kidney health, it's equally important to follow any dietary limitations from your doctor and maintain an overall balanced diet. 5. Sweet potatoes. When it comes to nutrients, sweet potatoes are a kidney's best buddy, especially for those with kidney impairment or chronic kidney disease, CKD. First, sweet potatoes have lower potassium than other potatoes, making them a safe, healthy option for people with CKD who need to balance potassium intake because their kidneys may struggle to remove excess potassium, which could potentially cause heart problems. Additionally, beta-carotene, an antioxidant our bodies convert into vitamin A, is abundant in sweet potatoes. Vitamin A is essential for supporting kidney and urinary system function, based on 2018 Nutrition Journal analysis. Sweet potatoes are also fibrous. A 2012 American Journal of Kidney Diseases study suggests dietary fiber may help regulate blood glucose and slow CKD progression. They also contain various B vitamins, essential for transferring waste from blood to urine. A balanced diet with low potassium foods like sweet potatoes and others can support improved kidney function and slow damage progression. But it must be noted starchy foods like sweet potatoes can raise blood sugar, so serving sizes need controlling, especially for diabetics, since diabetes is a leading kidney disease cause. 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a humble yet potent veggie, serves as a knight in shining armor for your kidneys. Did you know your kitchen contains a secret element that could improve kidney health? Recent Renal Nutrition Journal 2019 and Nutrients 2020 studies have revealed how cauliflower's beneficial chemicals can significantly help prevent kidney injury. Vitamin C levels in cauliflower are particularly high. Vitamin C is a strong defense against oxidative stress, battling toxin-related kidney damage, a crucial chronic kidney disease component. It is also rich in dietary fiber, which lowers harmful kidney inflammation and regulates blood sugar. But cauliflower's magic doesn't end there. It also contains the anti-inflammatory chemical indole 3-carbinol, protecting kidneys from inflammation-related damage. With high folic acid content, you have a veggie that promotes red blood cell production. 7. Kale. Kale is no typical green leafy veggie. It is loaded with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and calcium, giving the fight against kidney disease new power levels. It's crucial to fight inflammation and oxidative stress, main kidney disease and chronic condition causes. Kale is a great, convenient vitamin A and C source. Compounds in these vitamins have strong antioxidant properties, reducing inflammation, preventing further kidney damage, and speeding healing. Research published in the 2019 Journal of Renal Nutrition highlighted the importance of vitamin A and C-rich diets in chronic kidney disease patients. Remember, every decision you make is a step towards healthier you. With these foods, that path has become a bit clearer and more delicious. Conclusion. If you found this valuable, share it with others. Spread the word. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing health insights.